If you can do some bar to chest pull-ups, you could probably muscle up. Though it is indeed called the muscle up, for beginners who cannot do it, it will be more of a technical prowess up. It is crucial to overgrip the bar. Perform one hard kick with your legs. Follow this by one big chest pump, and on the way back, pull hard while kneeing yourself in the face. Once your torso is above or parallel to the bar, you want to perform a rowing action to throw your torso on top of the bar and finish it off with a dip. You are done. Breakdown, breakdown. Overgrip. This allows for easy transition up and over the bar. Do not hold it in your fingers or your knuckles. This makes it almost impossible to do the muscle up. One hard kick. This generates the initial momentum you will use to go up. Do not perform multiple kicks, as you will find yourself just swinging back and forth, making it very difficult to pull up. One chest pump. This continues the momentum from the first initial kick, but allows your hips to stay beneath the bar. This will actually allow you to pull up when it comes time to pull up. I recommend you practice pumping your chest by hanging with straight arms and pushing your chest in and out while trying to keep your hips relatively stationary. A bonus tip is to completely ignore your legs. Pull hard. Imagine pulling down with straight arms. This will arc your body up and around the pull-up bar. Drive your knees. By doing so, you will acquire additional upward momentum, allowing you to go just a tad bit higher. Roll. Once your torso is parallel with the bar, immediately roll your torso over the bar and dip up. Having personally taught a few people who didn't think they could muscle up but did have the strength required, it will probably take you about 10 to 30 minutes to be able to do your first one if you're diligent. Do not worry about having your first muscle up look super pretty. It probably will not, but the more you do it, the more it will look pretty, just like how anything will be. Good luck!